Hello everyone. Good morning children. So finally the lecture number 5 of chapter 5. So let's start. Okay. So in lecture number 4 we have revised all points and topics of chapter number 5 in detail, and also the studied the advantages of partnership firm with detailed explanation. So now we are going to start today's lecture and see. In today's lecture we just revise the head points, because in lecture number 4 we revised all the points perfectly. So now need not to revise all the points with detail. So now we just revise with the head points only, and then we start the detailed study of today's lecture. Okay, so characteristics of sole proprietorship. You all speak with me. Okay. Easy to establish capital, power of administration, freedom of work and quick decision, liability, maintenance of secrecy, personal contact, and centralization of ownership and management. See, students, I speak only the high points because in lecture number 4 we revised all the points with detail, and in lecture number 2 and 3 we studied in detail this point with perfect explanation. So now need not to explain in detail. If you want to detailed explanation, then you can see the lecture number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Then advantage of sole proprietorship. And why are you repeating the head points in all lectures? Because through the revisions and repetitions, all the head points you learn easily. That's why. Okay. So easy establishment process, less capital, maintenance of secrecy, quick decision, personal contact, flexibility, less tax burden, and less legal restriction. The limitation of sole proprietorship: limited capital, unlimited liability, short duration, limited work capacity, possibility of work decision, wrong decision, and lack of advantage of large scale business. Then HUF, Hindu Undivided Family. So characteristics of HUF: existence by law, management, independent field of operation, membership, financial control, liability, lifespan, difficulty in raising fund, and insolvency. Then the partnership. Partnership is the most important topic for the examination. So proprietor and HUF is also important, but the partnership is the most important for the detailed question answer. So please revise this topic perfectly and try to understood without skip any points. Okay, so characteristics of partnership: relation by agreement, establishment procedure, registration, numbers of partner. See, the numbers of partner is important for the MCQ. In your examination in MCQ, question ask like how many minimum number requires in a partnership. So that is 2, and a maximum, so 100 as per the clause number 464, and the 50 as per the clause number 10 miscellaneous rule. Then purpose, then capital, management, unlimited liability, transfer of ownership, legal status, and lifespan of firm. Clear? Okay. So till here we done in lecture number 3, and in lecture number 4 we had done the revision and detailed explanation of advantage of partnership firm. So now we revise the advantage of partnership firm with important points. First, easy and less expensive process of establishment. Then efficient management, because there are many partners with the knowledge, intelligence, skills, experience. That's why the benefits of that all gets to the firm. Then increase in goodwill, then more capital, then advantage of division of labor. Remember the example partner A, B, and C. Then proper decision, then flexibility, then protection of interest of minority, then direct relation with customer, decentralization of economic power, and less burden of income tax. C. Point number 9, 10, and 11. It is very small, but it is important. It is very new for you. So try to repeat. See, uh, in fourth lecture, I don't give you a reading time, right? So now I give a reading time for these all the points. So starting from the partnership. So your time start now. 2 minutes for characteristics, 2 minutes for meaning and first paragraph, and 2 minutes for advantage. So that is total 6 minutes you have for a reading. So your time start now. Then I'll start today's new topic, limitations of partnership. Okay. So start the reading. Try to avoid the external voice and concentrate in video. Don't lose your concentration, students. Now your time for the reading of meaning. Huh? Try to read these two paragraphs. Done. Please read. These all are explained in lecture number 3 and 4. I hope you all remember all the explanations. And now it's your reading time. So try to read. Sorry, you have to read and try to understood properly. Because when will you read, then only you have some doubts. Otherwise not. Okay. Now your 2 minutes start for the characteristics. And when you read the head points questions with detail, so please take a pencil or pen and underline the important points, which points you will revise at the time of examination, because at the time of examination you don't have that much time for revision all the points. So at that time you refer just important point. I hope you all clear and try to read perfectly. Don't read all the detailed information, just read the important points. And please underline the important points or a tough point for you, which you need revise many a times. And that points is only you know which point is hard for you. Okay, done characteristics. So advantages, please advantage, read perfectly because just we revise the second time only this topic. 1.5 minute left. 1 minute left. Speed. See students, 8, 9, 10, 11 is a new words like a decentralization, then less burden of income tax. Again, I say don't lose your concentration due to external voice. Ignore that and try to avoid. 20 seconds left. See, students, please read fast. I want to start a new topic. Okay, done. So, start the limitations of partnership firm. First, limited capital. How? We see in advantage more capital. And now that is the limitation, the limited capital. How is it possible? See, let's see in detail. Considering the development and big size of modern industries and trade, the capability of to raise a large capital by partner is limited. Due to development and big size of modern industries and trade, capability to raise capital by partner is limited. So there is a less scope for partnership firm to engage in large scale business activity and due to limited capital. So activities like a research cannot be undertaken. Clear? See, the one of the reason for limited capital is that the big size of modern industries trade. So due to that, the capital raised by large capital raised by partner is limited, and that's why the large scale business activity not engaged. I mean to say there is a less scope for that. So that is why, because due to the limited capital. Then the second one is the unlimited liability. This point we all know. In partnership firm, the liability of each partner is unlimited. See, in sole proprietorship is also unlimited liability. In HUF, there is also unlimited liability for Karta, but for the members is limited. And in partnership, also a partner has a unlimited liability. So all the partners are responsible for the work done for the firm by any other partner. And if asset of the firm are insufficient to pay the debt, then the situation all the partners have to pay debt even by selling their personal property. That means if the liability of the firm is more than the asset of the firm, then all the partners have to sell their personal property for the payment of making the liability of the firm. Clear? Okay. Then possibility of disagreement because there are many partners in a partnership firm. So everyone has a different opinions for different matter. So there are a disagreement in partnership firm. So management of the firm run properly till there is a unity and agreement. And when will start the disagreement or disunity, then the management of the firm cannot run the properly. So when dispute arise, the possibility of disagreement in partnership is rise. That is clear? Okay. Then the difficulty in maintaining the secret. In partnership, important business decision cannot be taken without the proper discussion and thinking process. Due to discussion among the partners, the maintenance of business secret are difficult. See, in a partnership, important business decision cannot be taken without proper discussion and thinking process, and also require the free consent of the all partners. So due to discussion among the partners, the secrecy level maintenance are difficult. So here we done the 4 points. So now it's your time for reading. Just revise these 4 points and then moving on fifth point. You're just 1 or 2 minutes, 1.5 minute only. Very small points. Done? Okay. Fifth point. Difficulty in share transfer. See, we see this point in characteristics, the transfer of ownership or a transfer of share. So in a partnership firm, one partner cannot transfer his share to other person easily, because for the transfer he has to require the consent of all the other partners. So there is a difficulty in a share transfer and also the difficulty in transfer ownership. And the delay in decision making. How? See, there are many partners, so all the opinion of the partners are matter. So that's why everyone has. So that's why the delay in decision making, because everyone has a different opinion. Then the discussion on doing on all the opinion, and finally a perfect decision can carried out. So for that, long procedures will follow, and then decide a perfect decision. So for that, uh, time consuming is are there. So according to the law, each partner can take a part in the management of the firm. So due to internal dispute and disagreement among the partners, decision taking process is delayed. See, please underline, what is the reason for delay in decision making? Due to internal dispute and disagreement among partners. Taking the process is delay. As a result, the management become a weak, and that due to internal dispute, many a partnership firm may be dissolved. See, I give you one example. There are two partners, A and B, right? But uh, opinion of A and B are totally different. That's why the internal dispute arise between A and B, and within 1 and 2 months, their partnership firm may dissolve. Both partners are left from the partnership firm. So that is the example of an internal dispute, the reason of dissolution of partnership firm. Then the point number 7, short lifespan. For the reason of death, insolvency, or loss of mental balance of any partner, the partnership comes to an end. It is very easy and very small point. So now it's your time. 0.567. Just read in 1 minute only, and then revise the hard points of limitation and advantage. Like all the lectures, we speak two times all the hard points, and you all have to speak with me loudly and try to feel you are in classroom, because when will you feel that type, then you can learn easily and also study with discipline. Because I also visualize you all are in front of me. That's why I give you a reading time, like in classroom. So you all also try to feel you are in classroom. Okay, done. Complete the reading. Okay, so let's start the head points. Okay, first, advantage of partnership. You all speaking with me. Huh? First time you can use textbook, second time also, but the third time you speak without seeing. थर्ड टाइम आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में पॉइंट्स देखने नहीं है, बट इफ़ यू फॉरगेट वन और टू पॉइंट्स देन यू कैन सी. सो इजी एंड लेस एक्सपेंसिव प्रोसेस ऑफ एस्टेब्लिशमेंट, एफिशिएंट मैनेज. लाउडली स्पीक करना है मेरे साथ ही. इंक्रीज इन गुडविल or credit worthiness, more capital, advantage of division of labor, proper decision, flexibility, protection of the interest of minority, direct relation with customer, decentralization of economic power, and less burden of income tax. Again, first one, easy and less expensive process of establishment, efficient management, increase in goodwill, more capital, advantage of division of labor, proper decision, flexibility, protection of interest of minority, direct relation with customer, decentralization of economic power, and less tax burden of income tax. Now it's your turn. No doubt, two times you have already speaking with me. Still, the third time you speak by yourself. Speed up. Try to speak without help of textbook. Okay, done. Good. Now the limitations: limited capital, unlimited liability. See, capital limited, liability unlimited. LCUL, PD. There is a short form. LC, limited capital. UL, unlimited liability. PD, possibility of disagreement. And also you can see call the POD, possibility of disagreement. Then difficulty in maintaining secret. So you can remember with the secrecy. Then difficulty in share transfer, delay in decision making, and short lifespan. There are a total 7 points. First one is limited and unlimited. Third one is possibility. Then 4 and 5 related to the difficulties. And 6 is delay. And 7 is a short lifespan. Again, repeat: limited capital, unlimited liability, possibility of disagreement, difficulty in maintaining secret, difficulty in share transfer, delay in decision making, and short lifespan. Okay, done? Good. Now to the next topic, types of partner. See, there are 6 type of partners. In today's lecture, we studied just first and second, and then from the third we will study in next lecture. See students, chapter number 5 is a big chapter because it is the fifth lecture of chapter 5, and mostly अभी तो टॉपिक्स बाकी हैं, so at least 3 to 4 lectures more require. हाँ, more 3 to 4 lectures require for the complete this chapter. So please, when I'll finish this chapter, try to see all the videos of this chapter. At least 7 to 8 lectures of this chapter. And I try to cover a one or two topic in single lecture because this is a theory subject, and even if I cover many a points in a one lecture, then you feel boring. That's why I make a 30 minutes video and only cover the one or two points on main topics only. So please try to see all the lectures of this chapter at a glance when we'll complete this chapter. And I try कि मैं एक रिवीजन लेक्चर्स बनाऊंगी for this chapter because this chapter is big. Okay, so types of partner. Okay, active partner. According to Partnership Act, the person who become wait. First, we just refer the types of partner. First one is active partner, then sleeping or dormant partner, then a nominal partner, then partner in profit only, then partner by an estrable or holding out, then minor partner. So there are six type of partner, and important definition for examination: active partner and dormant or sleeping partner. These two is important for examination. So first one is a active partner. So according to Partnership Act, a person who become a partner and keep a part in a management is called an active partner. See, a partner who is interested and keep a part in a daily or routine management, then it is called active partner. Such a partner get his agreed share in profit loss, and sometimes also he get a salaried. So for activities of the firm is called an agent of an other partners. Then the sleeping or dormant partner. The person who become a partner by partnership deed and bear a loss or profit, but he does not take an active part in management of the firm, then he is called dormant or sleeping partner. See explanation of this partner I'll give in next lecture. Here we times for the homework. So in homework you have to write head points of limitations in a head point book, and also write a limitations with a detailed explanation in your file note. Okay, and also write the types of partner with a chart form in your head point books because with the chart you can learn easily. So try to make a chart for a types of partner, and also for limitations advantage if you want. But in a types of partner, I suggest you please try to make a chart. So here we done the today's lecture because the sleeping partners explanation is little bit some deep. So I'll explain in next lecture. So I hope you understood. See, in today's lecture also I covered only one topic. So now it's easy to learn for you because a very small content I covered. Okay, so goodbye everyone.